Good morning, students. Today we are going to read English literature poem Summer Sun, which is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. So let's just start reading. Open your book, page number 45. Let's start reading. Summer Sun by Robert Louis Stevenson. Great is the sun, and wider he goes through empty heaven with repose. And in the blue and glowing days, more thick than rain, he showers his rays. Through closes still the blinds we pull to keep the shady parlor cool. Yet he will find a chink or two to slip his golden fingers through. The dusty attic spider clad, he through the keyhole maketh glad, and through the broken edge of titles into the laddered hay loft smiles. Meantime, his golden face around he bared to all the garden ground, and shed a warm and glittering look among the ivy's inmost nook, above the hills, along the blue, round the bright air with footing true, to please the child, to paint the rose, gardener of the world he goes. Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and travel writer. In this poem, the speaker describes different aspects of sun's character. When the sun travels across the sky every day, it is calm and composed. In summer, however, it grows brighter. It starts to grow mischievous. It stealthily enters through the blind on the windows and warms up the room. Its rays reach every dark and cold corner and warm them. The sun spread happiness and cheer even when it sits down, painting the sky in beautiful, vivid shades of red. Speaker used personification to describe the poem. He compared sun with a human being. The speaker in the poem says the sun is great as it moves across the wide earth and calmly sails across the clear sky. During summer, he shines so brightly that his rays seem thicker than rain, though people may pull down the blinds to keep their parlors cool. His light somehow find a hole or two to spend his shafts of sunlight through. He delights the dust attic with spiders by reaching it through the keyhole, and the loft filled with hay by squeezing in through broken titles. It also shines in all its glory on the garden, reaching even the darkest corners like a master gardener. It moves sure-footedly over the distant hills to please children and to bright color to roses. So the main idea in the poem is the power of the sun to spread its warmth and light to bring cheer. In what ways can we bring warmth and light to others around us? We need to learn this, right? Through this poem. So I hope you understood the poem. Now you all will write the poem in your copy And if you have any confusion, any doubt, you will ask me through comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.